Hey there guys! So today I want to share another old video with you, but this one made my mouth water like ASAP. I am so in love with this recipe and really hungry, so let's get started. First off, you want to peel your onion and then cut it down into very small pieces. You want to get a pan with some oil or butter in it and then put your onions into that and let them fry for a little while. Next up, you want to take your spinach. You can use fresh spinach or just one that has been defrosted and put that in there as well. And you want to let it cook for the amount of time that it takes to lose the water. You want to add some nutmeg, some salt, some pepper, and whatever spices you like, and just wait for the water to go away. Then you want to take your pre-cooked pasta and put half of it into a bowl. And on top of that, you want to put the spinach and distribute it evenly. Next up, you want to put some water into your pan that you've already used and then add your mustard as well as a little bit of sugar. And you want to bring that to a boil. You want to let that simmer for a little while and then you want to add in your cream. Again, mix it all together and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Next up, you want to cut down your salmon. And then you want to put it into the sauce and take it off the heat. Now let that sit for another 5 minutes and you want to add a good bit of salt and pepper. Now you want to pour that over the second half of your pasta. So you have pasta, spinach, pasta, and then the salmon mixture. And you want to top it off after distributing it evenly with some cheese. You want to preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. And now you want to bake for 30 minutes. Now if this doesn't make your mouth water, I don't know what would, especially if you're using high quality salmon. This is such a good recipe. I hope you try it and I hope you enjoy it, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!